How to use Google Sheets for spreadsheets. Spreadsheets seem daunting. Fear not. This guide will show you how to use Google Sheets on your iPhone, transforming your phone into a powerful tool for organizing data, creating charts, and managing your projects on the go. First of all, download the app. For a dedicated app experience, download Google Sheets from the App Store. You can also access Google Sheets directly from your iPhone's web browser by visiting sheets.google.com. Ensure you're signed in to your Google account to access and create spreadsheets. So go to sheets.google.com, open your iPhone's web browser and navigate to the website. Then in the bottom right corner, tap the plus sign to create a new blank spreadsheet. Now, for cells, which are the rectangle boxes where you enter your data, text, numbers, or formulas, each cell is identified by a letter and a number combination, for example, A1, B3, C4, etc. This bar at the top displays the content of the currently selected cells. You can also type formulas here to perform calculations on your data. And the toolbar. This bar provides icons for formatting text, changing font styles, or inserting elements like charts and images. Tap on a cell and type to edit. Google Sheets offers a wide range of formulas for calculations, data analysis, and creating custom functions to extend the spreadsheet's capabilities. You can search on the internet for different formulas that will help you create the spreadsheet you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.